Good afternoon, everyone. I am making a quick video. It's going to be very similar to the walkthrough from the live session, but I think it's better to have something right in the midterm self-evaluation area. Just very quickly, in case you've not downloaded this document and completed it yet, how you do that is you navigate to the link. So the link is right here to click the rubric. And then you just go File, download it as whatever format you want, but I recommend rich text format or Microsoft Word. You can delete the instructions or you can leave them there, it doesn't matter. But then you have to complete this rubric. And you can add your rationale either in the box or below for the grade that you want. That's what your peers are going to be looking at, and also recalling their interaction with you as well. So then what you're going to do is you're going to come to this area and you're going to click on View/Complete Assessment. Now, if you tried to do this earlier today, I apologize for the technical error. I have extended it because I had it set at the beginning of the day instead of the end of the day. Once you get in here, this is the tricky part. It doesn't show an area to upload anything. You actually have to click on question 1. Then once you're in there, your response is actually just the file. So you browse your computer. These are just some random documents, but I guess I'll upload a picture of a map there. So there I'm going to Toronto. It's going to be fun. I've uploaded the document and then I can click submit. Now, after the submission time frame is over, so starting on Sunday now, you'll have to come back to this same area and I don't know why this isn't submitting. There we go. You'll have to come back to the same area. See, it says completed. And you'll be able to review your peers. The look of the assignment here will change. The video that's here right now for the instructions will show you how that changes. But the thing is, when you go in, you're going to see a list of everybody's name in the class. I don't want you to review everybody. What I've asked you to do is review a minimum of 2 people from your group. So you're going to come to this document here. The instructions are here, and there's an example right below it. If I was Brittany, I would review, I believe it says 2 people below me. Yeah, the 2 people below you. So Brittany's self-explanatory. She's going to review Jennifer's and Catherine's. All right. But let's say, I'm going to use a different example. Let's say I'm Nicole. Well, Nicole is going to review Mallory, but then there's nobody below Mallory for her to review, and we don't want to go to a different discussion board group. Mallory is instead going to jump up and review Jasmine's. That works the same for every single group. If you are one of the live sessioners, your group is at the bottom here. It's a little bit of a bigger group because it grew over the course of the term. I hope that answers your question and your questions in terms of how to do this. When you go in to look at everybody's self-evaluations, there is an area to leave some comments there. I will be reviewing everything and assigning the final grade, but just do your best based on the rationale that they've provided you, as well as your knowledge of what actually happened in the course, to help you evaluate. If you're looking for a trick, since I'm in here now, if I go to the discussion board and I click on search, I can search all of the forms in this course by somebody's name. So I don't want to actually search just in case the person hasn't been participating. I don't want to bring that up in a video. But anyways, if I put the person's name in here, I can set date ranges, but you won't need to for the midterm. This is how I check participation when I'm doing the marking. And I see there's a lot of Q&A that I have to attend to. Anyway, search for that person's name. If the name doesn't come up, that doesn't necessarily mean that the person hasn't posted. I find sometimes if there's extra spaces in there, it doesn't come up. So you might want to, instead of searching for the whole name, maybe just search for the last name, because I don't think there's anybody in the class with the same last name as somebody else. And then you'll get a list of all of the discussion board postings that they've done and all of the replies that they've done. And that can kind of give you a quick overview of what discussion board participation has looked like. And for the live sessioners, there's no search function, unfortunately, but hopefully the person that you're reviewing has provided some concise rationale. And if you're a live sessioner and you were in the sessions, you probably don't need a lot of detail to remember the people that were strong contributors. Thank you for bearing with me with this new type of assessment type. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them.